Hey everybody, what's going on? Vinny here from AndroidAuthority.com, and right now I'm going to be doing a launcher review of a few different launchers. Well, two to be exact. I'm going to do a versus video of LauncherPro versus Go Launcher. I'm going to be basically having the same home screen setup essentially, as well as basically the same options selected, same sort of widgets, but with their launcher's widgets. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm going to basically cut this video up so you'll see a part of Go Launcher, then the next part will be of LauncherPro. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so right now I'm on Go Launcher here, and to start things off I'm just going to go through the app drawer and show you what those kind of options are in this launcher. So go in here, and default you have a horizontal launcher or horizontal app drawer, and you have these cool animations. As you can see there, it's like a sphere spinning, and another cool aspect of it is you can spin it around and go a little crazy with it, so that's kind of cool. You do have other customizations. You can also add a folder within the app drawer. You can sort it a different way. You can hide any given app, so some apps just aren't very useful in the app drawer, like Adobe Reader. So go back, Adobe Reader should be gone. There it is, it's gone. So pretty cool there. You can also go up to a tab that they call Recent, and you'll have a recent history here, and then you have your running apps. So you have a task manager right in the app drawer, and you can close them out right there. All apps running will be closed. Just click OK, and you can go back home. Okay, so also you have some preferences of the app drawer. So you can go to app drawer settings, and you can have icon labels. You can have you can edit the grid, so you can have a 4x4, a 4x5, a 5x4, or a 5x5, as well as you can edit whether it's horizontal or vertical, and that is it. Also, you can edit the effects, the effect of the sphere. You can also have it do a couple of other things in here, and we can just go to one just to give you an idea real quick. Oops. Okay, so go to all, and they're kind of like lines shuttering, so kind of cool. Is what it is. Onto LauncherPro. Okay everybody, here with LauncherPro, and this application drawer does not have very many settings. There's not much you can do within it, but you do have an option to have it horizontal, but the default is to have it vertical. It's a 3D app drawer. You do have the option to have a 5-row rather than a 4-row, and also you have the option to hide apps just like you do in Go Launcher. Unfortunately, you do not have the option to create folders, and you don't have any cool transitions or anything like that available as far as effects go or anything like that. So there's not much to show you here. So next I'm going to go to Go Launcher, and we're going to check out the themes. So the theme options on these two applications. Okay, so on Go Launcher you have a ton of theme options. And the cool thing is it's right here in the menu. Just hit menu, then go to themes. You have a few default ones. And then you also have some ones you can download in the market, and you can go download more themes, and it'll take you to the market or their little store. So let's just say I want to apply this TouchWiz one. Go ahead and apply the theme, and here we go. So we have a whole new list of icons. The I don't know if you could see it, but the indicator of which home screen you're on, that changes. So as you can see here, all of the icons are now in a box format. pretty cool. So the themes on this are very neat. All the icons in the app dock here are all boxed. So everything gets fully customized when you apply a theme. You get a new background, everything sort of changes. And you can also get icon packs, so you could make everything, all the icons actually look like TouchWiz icons if you download the icon pack. So that's something kind of cool. And you know, there's a bunch of them out there. Very nice. I'm going to stick with the default one, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that. But next I'm going to go back to LauncherPro. We're going to check out what theme and icon pack options we have on that launcher. Okay, so here with LauncherPro we're going to check out the theme options that they have, which basically isn't very much. It's not very theme oriented. So I'll show you what I mean. Basically, we can go into preferences, we can go to LauncherPro widget settings, and if we're using any of the widgets, we can go to, say, the Facebook widget, which I have to be using. We can go to select a skin that we downloaded in the Android market. We can choose contrast, I guess, and we'll restart it because that's required. Let it load up real quick. And okay, now it's a lot different from what it usually is. And then I have the Twitter one over here in a theme for white, minimal white. So we can't really see anything because all the text is white, so is my background. But as you can see, you can theme things, but nothing ridiculous. And we can go into preferences as well and go theme settings. And if you download an icon pack, you can change all the icons. And here we go. So now all my icons are a lot different. But I mean, it's cool, and it's nice that they have integrated it, but it's not a full theme. It doesn't change the background, it doesn't change the look of their widgets, it's not everything. So it's kind of disappointing that you can't just go change theme, click a theme, and everything goes that theme. So kind of disappointing, but at the same time it's nice to see it's at least an option at this point. So thumbs up for it, but so far LauncherPro is not looking as good as Go Launcher as far as the app drawer and the theme options go. So now we're going to go over to Go Launcher and check out the widgets. So that'll be interesting. Okay, everybody, back here on Go Launcher, and when we go through the widgets, I'm really going to go over two, because I really feel that's all I really need to do. So here's their Twitter widget. It's pretty cool. You do have all your feeds. It does update pretty nice. It does have a refresh button up there, as well as a immediate tweet button. Oops. How do I go? Oh, okay. It also has an option to go straight to your timeline, your mentions, or your messages. So that's cool as well. So, and then if you click Twitter, it'll take you to the mobile Twitter site, which is nice. Also, there is a, I guess I'm going to do three. There's also a contacts widget where you can go through all your contacts and say I'm just going to choose Android Authority. I can go to view that contact. I can go straight to tweet to that contact, or if I have more options, say someone like Chris Cole for an example. If I click on him, I can call him, I can view him, I can text message him, I can send him an email, or I can check him out on whatever site I have him on, which I'm guessing is Facebook. So it's pretty cool. Also, here's their Facebook widget. It's pretty much the same thing. You have a refresh button, an immediate status update, and then you can go to most recent and your profile. So pretty neat there. You can click on a status and you can like it or comment it. So that's cool. You can do the same thing with Twitter, of course. You can immediately tap on it, but the thing is it takes you to the mobile site, so that's kind of irritating. So if you tap one on the Twitter it takes you to the mobile site. At least I'm pretty sure it did. It did last time I did it, but I might have clicked a link. So let's see. No, I was wrong. Okay. So you can click reply and immediately reply. So there we go. Pretty cool. Nothing nothing too fancy, but good widgets nonetheless. Okay, so here we are with LauncherPro, and I have a couple widgets here. I have Twitter and a Facebook. They do essentially the same thing, but let me tell you one thing. The thing that I do like more about these widgets, rather than the Go Launcher widgets, is just the look of them and the fact that it's the stock theme goes with everything, it seems like. Plus you have custom things that you can apply. I mean, you can have one on one and one on another, so that's really neat. They do essentially the same thing. You can go straight to your profile and write a comment, blah blah, all that stuff. But for me, I don't know, just personally I like LauncherPro's widgets. I don't know why. I can't really put a real point on it. Just the fact that I can have one Twitter look blue and yellow, and then I can have, Facebook look black and red if I want it. So I really like that, and it's just what I'm used to, I guess. I kind of started using LauncherPro before Go Launcher, and for some reason I'm just still stuck on the LauncherPro widgets. I just like how the layout is. I like how the refresh bar is down here, like HTC Sense. So next we're going to go over to the docks and just see what our options are over there. See you at the Go Launcher. Alright, so Go Launcher's dock is a scrollable dock. You can add anything to it. You can have anything down here, contacts, quick settings, anything really you want. You can make custom icons. There's a list of icons already built into TouchWiz. Very cool. Not much to say about it. There's not many settings or anything to show you. You can hide it if you want. You can have a gesture where you slide it down or slide it back up, which is kind of neat, but I don't have enabled. Other than that, there's not much more to it. So without further ado, let's go over to LauncherPro and just see if there's anything different on that front. Alright, here on LauncherPro, and to tell you the truth, the docks just aren't that different. You can change it, change the icons, you can make custom ones, you can have them go to anything you want, just like on Go Launcher. There's really nothing different, not much to review, but I thought I'd just add it just so you guys know that there is a cool dock down here. The only feature I don't think LauncherPro does have is the custom slide down and slide back up, but they also have the custom interface, or the custom background that isn't very well implemented inside of Go Launcher. So that's kind of a difference, but no biggie. So now we're just going to go over to the settings and check out what's different there, and then I'm going to have my conclusion. Alright, so here are the settings. We're going to go through here, some settings, the effects, and basically what you can customize in a sense. So you have your theme settings, which basically you can change up what your theme is. You can change your desktop style, which is basically your theme. You can go to my theme and change it that way. You also have a dock style, so you can use different themes for all of these and make your own sort of a theme, which is kind of neat. And then we also have screen settings, which basically entails our grid size, so we can go all the way up to a custom grid, and we can make it ridiculous, so we can have a 10 by 10 grid, which would be freaking crazy. Anyways, so then we have a wallpaper scrolling enabled, our transition effect with it, which is smooth. Change our dock to 3 to 1 to 2. Have loop scrolling. That's our dock down here, so we have 3 different docks. We have a indicator style here, which is the little thing up top when we're on our home screen that shows us which home screen we're on. We have app drawers. So app drawers basically just your grid size and your locked apps. So basically these are the apps that you lock. So when you go to kill your apps in the app drawer, the ones that are locked will not lock, or will not close. So that's kind of neat. Then we have effect settings, which is where we can change our desktop effect. We have the cube one going now. I'm pretty sure you guys noticed that. We have a wave, windmill, roll, all these different ones. So you can go through that and choose which one you like. And then we also have our horizontal effect in our app drawer, which I showed you guys that, where you can change that up already. And then you have orientation settings, or excuse me, operation settings. Basically you have glide down action disabled, which is kind of goofy. Key gestures, just some little customization there. Then you have advanced, where you can set some presets and prevent force closes. You can change your font if you really want to. You can back up or sort some stuff. That's pretty much it. I mean, pretty customizable, very nice, very fun launcher. I can't complain really that much. It's very smooth. Haven't had really any trouble. But without ado, or without further ado I should say, we're going to go over to LauncherPro, check out the settings there, and then I will leave you guys with which one I think has won the battle. Okay, so back on LauncherPro, the settings here basically somewhat the same, but it's worth going through, I guess. So here we go. We have a general settings, which is where we can hide our apps. We can keep in memory, which is kind of goofy, but then there's some hacks here, which is pretty outdated. We have home screen, so we can change the number of home screens we have. We can change the actual home screen, so your default screen. Then you have the transition effects, so we have the cube one going, and then you have scale, rotate, flip, and other things. Then you have, of course, the columns and rows. You don't have a customize option here, but you do have up to 10, which is what Go Launcher allows as well. Okay, so then we have dock settings, which is basically the same thing, number of docks, and enable loop scrolling. You have behavior settings. So behavior settings is just going to allow you to auto rotate, and your home button action key, which is, of course, you just want to go to your home screen. And then we have appearance, so we can change our dock background, hide the notification bar, disable wallpaper scrolling. We can change the highlight style and the highlight and focus colors, which is pretty cool. Okay, and then we have advanced, where we can go to a 5-row home screen, change the app drawer to a 3D app drawer, change the columns with that. So we'll let it sit there. Basically, to tell you the truth, just put this to an end now. My conclusion is definitely going to be that Go Launcher wins. I was a LauncherPro fan for a long time. I loved it. I'm really sad that it ended up winning, to be honest with you, because I love LauncherPro, but Go Launcher is just far better. It has a better app drawer. The dock is more customizable with the ability to hide it and unhide it. The themes are way better. Way better integrated, so you can change the wallpaper and all of that. And LauncherPro, it's just a lot harder to set themes, and it's cool that they have it, but it's just not where it should be yet. My winner's Go Launcher. Let me know what you guys think. Am I out of my mind? Am I wrong? Hit me up in the comment section on Twitter. Let me know. Anyways, guys, that'll be it for this one. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check out all the video reviews we have coming out every week of this channel. Check out the site at AndroidAuthority.com. Follow the site as well on Twitter if you have one, at AndroidAuth. And if you like me and you want to see what I'm talking about, or you have some questions and you just want to talk to me, follow me on Twitter at Vin_mobile. With all that being said, that's it for this one, guys. See you next time.